What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel Olu Nation. It's still your boy, Roderick Zolunya. And if you don't know that it's your boy, it means that you have not subscribed to the channel. So, guys, do me a huge favor. Go down below and subscribe to the channel because you're officially on the road to 1K subscribers. To the OGs of the channel, you know that here we run by two principles. Welcome back to the channel. And to the new guys watching, the principles that we run by here on this channel are: number one, here we do not watch porn, and number two, here we do not masturbate. Those are the first two steps that you have to take to become the best version of yourself in today's world as a man. In today's video, I want us to talk about how to make women start chasing you. Yes, you. Let's get right into the video. So guys, for the longest time, we've been programmed or channeled as us men. We've been programmed and channeled in a way that we have been told that we are supposed to chase women. We're supposed to apply pressure and win women over until we realize that it's us men who are the prize. By the way, there's a video I made that I explain why men are the prize. If you still haven't watched that video, go and watch that video. So I've told you for the longest time, we've been told that it's us men who are supposed to chase women, apply pressure, and try to win them over until us men realize that it's us who are the prize. So we are now flipping the script to now start making women chase us. So here are 5 things that you can do to start making women chase you. The first thing that you can do to start making women chase you is to find a purpose. Guys, a man on a purpose is chased by women because he is ambitious and he has goals that he wants to achieve, which he wakes up and works on them every day. This makes a man on a purpose have a good head on his shoulders, making women see that this guy is headed somewhere in life. And also, guys, women know that once they come into your life and you have a purpose, you will not pedestalize them. Guys, how many times have I told you that women actually want you to put your goals before them? So, if you are on a purpose, if you're a guy who is ambitious, if you're a guy who is on a mission, you have goals that you want to achieve, women will chase you because, number one, you've got a good head on your shoulders. Women see that you are headed somewhere in life. And number two, they know that once they come into your life, you will not pedestalize them, making them the center of your world because you already have a world of your own that you're building. So guys, women will tell you, you're spending too much time on your purpose. You're spending too much time going to the gym. You don't have enough time to spend with me. Guys, do not listen to what women say. Just watch their actions. Guys, women will tell you that you're spending too much time on your purpose, and that's what attracted them to you. That's what made them to start chasing you. So, what do? Keep on doing what you are doing to attract her so that she can stay attracted to you. The second thing that you can do to make women start chasing you, guys, is to get in shape. So guys, despite what women say, they'll always pick the guy with a fit board compared to a guy with a dad board. A guy with a fit board is a guy who has got a six-pack, and a guy with a dad board is a guy who has got a beer belly, a guy who has got some fat around his belly. Now guys, women will say that they want a guy with a dad board compared to a guy with a fit board. What they really mean is that they want the guy with the dad board, the guy with the beer belly, the guy with some fat around his stomach. They want that guy because they see that guy as a provider. They look at that guy as a protector. They look at that guy as a guy who can pay their bills, as a guy who can offer them security in life. Then they go ahead and cheat with the guy who has got a fit board. They go ahead and cheat with the guy who has got a six-pack. Why? Because they fantasize about the guy with a six-pack. I've told you guys, what women say and what they respond to are very different. Remember guys, women are hypergamous by nature. They only date up and want the best option for themselves. I've told you, women want a guy or someone who is better than them in every aspect: financially, emotionally, even physically. So they want you to be fit, but they'll not admit it. That's why they settle down with the guy who has got a dad bod, but they still chase the guy with the fit bod. Why? Because they fantasize about the guy with the six pack. So, the second thing that you can do to make women start chasing you is to get in shape. Also, guys, being in great shape sets you aside from 95% of the people who are not in shape. What that does is it makes you more noticeable to women. If you set yourself aside from all these guys who are not in shape, then you become in shape. Guess what? Women will start noticing you, then they will start chasing you. So the second thing that you can do to make women start chasing you is to get in shape. The third thing that you guys can do to make women start chasing you is to start dressing well. Guys, for me, I personally believe that there are no ugly guys, just lazy guys. So if you start putting just a little bit of effort into your dressing, guys, you'll set yourself aside from all these lazy guys who do not put any effort into their dressing. So guys, you can elevate your dressing by learning how to match your outfits, wearing monochromatic colors that will make it easier for you to match your outfits. Wear more fitted clothes and also elevate your shoe game. Working on those little tips, guys, will set you aside from all these other lazy guys who do not want to put in any effort into their dressing. And once you start dressing well, guess what? Women will notice you and they'll start chasing you. Why? Because you've set yourself aside from all these other lazy guys who do not want to put any effort into their dressing. Women will notice you and they'll start chasing you. The fourth thing that you can do to make women start chasing you is to become more mysterious. Guys, women will always chase a mysterious guy because they do not understand the mysterious guy. Because guess what, guys? Once a woman understands you, once you stop becoming mysterious and a woman understands you, you become boring to them. And women do not like boring guys. In fact, I'll go ahead and say women hate boring guys. So, the thing that makes women chase a mysterious guy is a mysterious guy, apart from not being understood by women, he does not choke women with his presence. What a mysterious guy does is he puts women through an emotional roller coaster. Meaning, 1 minute he's there giving women his time and some of his attention, the next minute he's not there. Women cannot understand this guy. He puts women through an emotional roller coaster until women start thinking that he is with other chicks. And in real sense, this guy might just be on his purpose. That's why he's taking time to respond. I told you, if a woman texts you, take your time to respond. And you're not taking time because you want to play games. No, you're taking your time because you're on your purpose. You're ambitious, you're busy building your empire. And that's what women want. Women will tell you that they want assurance. Women will tell you that they always want you to be there. Women will tell you that they always want you to text them, telling them where you are each and every minute of the day. But guys, if you do that, women will become turned off since you become boring to them. So, the fourth way that you can make women start chasing you is to become more mysterious. The fifth and final way that you can make women start chasing you is to have an abundance mindset. Guys, having an abundance mindset means that you act like you have options even if you do not. Meaning, if you approach a woman, if you go up to a woman and tell her your intentions, and she tells you that she's not interested, you do not apply pressure. What you do is just move on to the next woman. Because in your mind, you know that if this one woman does not see my value, then the next woman will definitely see my value. Remember, guys, you're working on yourself. You're working to become the best version of yourself and you're improving yourself. So, if you do that and a woman does not see your value, move on to the next woman who will see your value. Don't apply pressure on a woman who does not see your value. And in fact, if you go up to a woman and you tell her your intentions and she rejects you, and you move on to the next woman and she sees that you've moved on, what happens? She now starts wanting you back. That's how women operate. Now, guys, if you will be able to combine all these five things, if you'll be able to do all these five things, women will definitely start chasing you. We've come to the end of the video. If this type of content might be helpful to anyone, guys, don't hesitate to share it. Also, if you like the video, please drop a huge thumbs up on the video. Comment your thoughts if you've got any contradictions with what I'm saying in the videos. Don't hesitate, drop a comment down below. And also, guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because I've told you we're officially on the road to 1K subscribers. And also, do not forget to turn on posts for notifications to never miss an upload. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Olu Nation, we out. Peace and love, guys.